어릴 때 원했던 어른이 됐나 Thought I found oh how she's mine
If you notice the title below, yes, I am moving again. I am not leaving New York, but I am leaving the apartment life, which is kind of scary because I love living in an apartment, but your girl bought a home. I cannot believe I'm saying this. Buying a home has been a very long goal of mine, and a lot of you guys always leave me comments like, Michelle, why don't you just buy a house? Why are you wasting your money on rent? And trust me guys, of course I want to buy a house, but it's not that easy. I can't believe this is happening. I feel like I am entering a brand spanking new chapter in my life. Very nervous, very anxious, but I'm very excited to go on this journey with you guys. I'm definitely going to be documenting everything. The movers are gonna come in a few days, so I'm gonna start organizing and packing. Alright. My goal is to first attack the nitty-gritty stuff. I'm gonna cook up some rice. I have a bunch of holes in my walls from my shelves and my curtains, so I have to plaster and sand down. Since I whipped out my portable stove. So my goal right now is to basically finish whatever I have in the refrigerator and freezer. So all my frozen meat leftovers, that is what I'm eating today.
레이저가 나오냐고? 제 랍스터 거기서는 안 나오지 레이저가. 걸어줘.
좋은 문화.
좋겠네. 국내.
Hello everyone. Today is the day of our closing. We are officially closing on the house today. The first thing on our agenda is go to the bank and get the checks for the rest of the deposit, and then we're gonna meet up with my agent, do a final walkthrough, and then we're closing on the house. You're gonna get a backyard. We're at the closing. Wish us luck. I can't even walk right now. I'm like tripping over myself. Is it this conference room? Yes, okay. We are at the attorney's office. About to sign my life away. Homeowners.
How do you feel?
My hands are so clammy right now.
That's good.
We're gonna go to Home Depot now
Yes.
and get a garbage can. Can we push down the seat? Hello everyone! Let's talk about therapy, and thank you BetterHelp for sponsoring this portion of the video. So on this month's therapy update, one thing I'm working towards is my anxiety through big life changes. So first off, we all know this, but I purchased a home, and as exciting as it is, it comes with so many responsibilities, and I'm just navigating everything for the first time. So all of it is quite scary. And I think with all these big life changes, it led me to be very mentally fatigued past few months, trying to be less anxious and finding the positives and the joy in changing. So these are all things I'm discussing with my therapist. If you want to try out therapy, I had my first session on BetterHelp. It's just so easy to get started. You can use my link betterhelp.com/Michelle Choi and you'll get matched with a therapist, and you can have your session on your phone or on your computer. So you can connect with a therapist at the comfort of your home. Visit betterhelp.com/Michelle Choi or choose Michelle Choi at sign up and enjoy a special discount for your first month. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ooh, got a delivery from Oishi Berry. They're so cute and so red. Bobby doesn't really like fruits, but he's a bougie boy. He eats Oishi berries. Today is the day of the move. I have the Roadway moving team over to help me pack. I've moved with them every single time I've moved, and you guys know how many times I have moved in New York. Yeah, there's so many people over.
Chairs in order boxes. A blanket on top.
All packed. Honestly, I cannot believe that 1 year went by so quick. I posted on Instagram story that I'm moving, and everyone's like, moving again? Everyone's sick of me moving. I think I might have to use my hands. Officially cleared out. Back to my empty apartment, and I cannot wait to move to the next home. We're good. Abby, this is your new home. Lunchbox. So the internet person is here setting up my internet. But I'm trying to figure out where I want to place everything in my kitchen. What utensils are here? I'm gonna label it gassy. I'm gonna organize my protein bars. I'm gonna stack like this. I tend to not reach for the bottom ones, so. Hello everyone, I just got back from a workout, but Before I close out the video, I wanted to ask you guys a very important question. I wanted to get your input on any name suggestions for a new series on my YouTube channel since I'm not living alone anymore, which I'm gonna miss this series so much. I started it in 2019 and it has been quite a journey and I loved living alone, but it's time to move on. Let me know in the comments any ideas you guys might have. I'm just really glad that Dobby seems to be adjusting very well to the new place. He seems so much happier. He gets to run around, which makes me very happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.